3-bedroom 2-bath, brick, ranch-style home with 2,065 square feet. And attached garage on 3.07 acres. Large, separate, 24x35, 2-car detached workshop/garage with 12 feet tall doors. Drilled well, fenced-in garden area and 41 pecan trees. Beautiful, country setting. Living room and separate den with fireplace/gas logs. All carpet and tile flooring. All carpet has hardwood floors underneath per cellar. Large kitchen includes gas stove with double ovens and both convert to convection, dishwasher and top quality 5-door refrigerator. Large island and lots of cabinets, bookshelves. Sunroom with deck, laundry room and separate craft room, office. Master suite features a full bath with tub/shower combo.